Today I'm finishing up the painting with water, but also using these. They are watercolors and they go a long way. You only need a little bit of color and then you add your water and you get this amazing picture. So what I've done is I have outlined all the flowers with a darker color, put a lighter color in the middle, and then just used water, and ta-da, you get these gorgeous pictures. So I'm just finishing up doing all of this across. But even though I'm not finished yet, I want to show you what the background looks like. You take some water, doesn't have to be very much, put it on your paintbrush, get rid of the excess, and then as you take your paintbrush and you go side to side, that will blend all the colors. And if you want lighter colors, you use lots of water. And if you want a little bit of color, you use just a little bit. And ta-da, it makes your background just beautiful. And it looks like paint. And the more times you go over it, the lighter it will be. Unless you want it dark like this, in which case you would use less water. So, because this isn't completely done down here, I just want to go back and forth across a little bit more. And then I'll work my way up on the painting so that I'm finished the whole paper. And it will be beautiful. Thanks for watching.